In this session, trainees will discuss the importance of observation and record keeping as a good garden practice. It's very important to know what's taking place in the garden. Things can happen very quickly. The trainees will think about the importance of watering, the growth of weeds possibly, or infestations by insects. These are important observations in order to be proactive and to mitigate the problems before they become too serious. If you're watering your plants twice a day, which you should, it's a great time to do some observation, walking around each of the garden beds, taking note of what's going on. When observations are made, it's really important to write them down. So record keeping is also a critical skill. One very basic tool is just a simple garden journal. Each day they write what they see, but also anything that they do to their garden. If they're adding mulch, if they're adding supplemental fertilizer, the watering that was done, if it rained, if there have been any chickens in the garden, all these things can be written into this garden journal. Some pre-prepared garden record-keeping forms can also be developed and also keep track of your earnings. When you've harvested and you've actually sold those, what have you actually gained as a result of producing your crops. If they're ultimately working with illiterate farmers, then they need to think about very simple tools using images, perhaps using drawings of the different crops or the different inputs. There are ways for farmers to keep track of what they're doing in the garden versus what they're getting out of their garden. By the end of this session, each trainee should be very clear about the importance of observation. Additionally, understanding the importance of record keeping will allow the volunteers in the field to be able to design very practical record keeping tools that they will be able to train their farmers to use.